You're watching Little Rockets Kid TV.
Know your ABC. Hello children, today we will learn to recognize letter D. So sound of letter D is D. D. D for doctor. D. D. D for doll. Now children, can you see the capital letter D here? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Find the capital D and tick it. Correct. Very good. Last time. Can you find capital D now? Tick it. Hey, good job. Now children, are you able to find small d here? Let's tick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time, find the small d and tick it. Wow! That's correct. Now last time, let's find small d together. Yes, correct. Well done. So kids, can you spot the letter D here in this box? Let's tick it. Yes, that's right. One more time. Yes, right. I can see one more. Yes, that's right. One more is there. Can you find it? Correct. That's right. Now can you spot the capital D in this box? Tick it. Yes, that's right. I can see three more. Oh, great. That's good. One more is there. And the last one, can you find out? Yes, that's absolutely right. Good job. Now kids, we will tick the picture which starts with letter D. Can you find it? Yes, that's right. D for dog. Can you find D in second picture? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. D for dolphin. Last one, can you find it? In the third picture? Yes, that's absolutely right. D for duck. Okay children, now let's spell the word that starts with letter D. Dragonfly, door, dice, duck, dragon, deer, dog, dolphin, drill, diamond, donkey, dress, drum, donut, drawer. Well done kids, very good. Bye-bye.
Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.